Hello everyone, Chef Marissa Catanzaro here again. Today we're going to be working on bolognese sauce, one of the recipes that'll be in my cookbook, The Next Generation. Let's get started. Chopped meat, cans of plum tomato, large onion, large carrot, stalks of celery, cloves of garlic, a tomato paste, for red wine, salt, olive oil, black pepper. I'm going to brown my meat, season it with salt and pepper. I'm going to begin my bolognese sauce. First thing I'm going to do, put the oil in a pot, add the onion, carrot, celery, garlic, and let it saute. It needs a couple more minutes and it's ready to go. I'm gonna go back to my vegetables and stir them up, liquefy it, and that's it. Now I'm gonna add it gradually. I'm gonna add my tomato paste and keep stirring it. And my meat is well grained. I'm gonna add it to the sauce little by little. The sauce cooked for about an hour. The bolognese sauce was cooking for an hour. Beautiful. You could use this in any kind of pasta. Stay tuned for my next recipe. Bon appetit and bon Natal.